Welcome back. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sew a pleated skirt from start to finish. And don't miss the final step, it's the secret to getting that perfect flow. Let's get started. For this project, I worked with 2 meters of pre-pleated material. If you prefer, you can pleat the fabric yourself, it just takes a little extra time. I adjusted the length to 36 inches. For a clean finish, I used an overlock stitch on the edges. For the width, I used 2 meters. If you'd like a fuller look, just use 3 meters instead. Now, I'm just making a loose stitch along one side of the fabric. I gathered it to my hip size, then added 2 extra inches so it slides right through the hips. Just make sure the width matches your hip size, plus an extra 2 inches for sewing allowance. Place the right sides of the fabric facing each other, then sew along the edge. Alright, now it's time to add the band. I cut mine to my waist measurement, -3 inches, so it fits snug. Take the 2 ends of your elastic, line them up, and sew them securely together. Go ahead and divide your elastic into 4 equal sections and mark. This will make it easier to attach evenly. Quick reminder, if this step is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you'll catch my next sewing tutorial. Do the exact same process for the skirt as you did for the elastic to keep it even. Match the marks on your skirt with the marks on the elastic, then sew them together to attach. For a neat finish, hem the bottom edge using candle light or a wave stitch. We've finished all the steps, and now the skirt is ready to put on. We've completed the pleated skirt step by step. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my next sewing tutorial.